Introducing XTRONS DAB series. Android car stereo. Custom fit for Mercedes-Benz. Efficient cooling system. Multicolor LED lights. HD touchscreen. Latest Android OS. Octa-Core Processor. Built-in DAB Plus digital radio.
Its UK workforce would expand to 3,000 this year.
Big ideas. Workplace collaboration for a connected world.
Automotive grade AKM DSP. 16-band EQ setting. Best sound field. Powerful amplifier chip. CarPlay. Android Auto. Screen mirroring. Smart driving with internet. GPS navigation. Gyroscope sensor. PIP mode. Multiple themes. Professional connectors and cable set. Perfect driving entertainment. From XTRONS.